Hi, my name is Soumya. My daughter goes to the Ruh Bridge program since June here. It's been an exciting journey of growing together with my daughter and with Ruh. I love the fact that I could come with my daughter in the initial weeks of her school. Both of us got comfortable, confident with the educators, new surroundings. And since then, it's been a good upward journey for both of us. The staff and the educators have been really helpful with the little struggles we had initially with potty training, with separation anxiety, with getting her to talk and be comfortable in the new surrounding. They've been extremely helpful and kind, and it's nice to have a school and a system that supports and reflects with your parenting philosophy of gentle parenting. Apart from the basics, she's got a nice exposure to music in terms of so many different instruments and live music sessions, lots of art, yoga, cooking, a very holistic approach to education and school. And I'm really happy about it because I see that reflect off, and I can see her carry these learnings from school to home. She's really independent. She likes to pull out her clothes. She wants to help around. She wants to be a part of the home ecosystem. So it's nice to have that kind of connection between home and school. And I'm glad I got it through such a nice place like Ruh. Today my daughter is thrilled to come to school. She's always out of the door in front before me, and she says, "Amma, let's go to school. It's time for school." So it's nice to have that excitement to go learn, to go to school. There's no crying, and it's been a very delightful experience. Thank you.